Quick disclaimer, this video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Trading and investing involve risk, so always do your own research. What if you could spend less time staring at endless charts and more time letting AI handle the heavy lifting for you? Most traditional financial platforms don't actually help you make better decisions. They simply bury you under a laundry list of raw data. Endless financial statements, thousands of ticker symbols, and a flood of disconnected news articles, leaving you to connect all the dots yourself. What if, instead of manually researching every opportunity and feeling glued to your screen all day, you could deploy an autonomous AI agent that researches stocks, monitors market conditions 24/7, and keeps you updated automatically? That's the exact shift Alphio AI is introducing. Rather than acting like another basic AI chatbot, Alphio combines AI-powered research, opportunity discovery, intelligent market monitoring, and autonomous execution workflows into one single platform. So today, we're taking a deep dive into Alphio AI to see whether deploying these autonomous AI agents can actually improve your market research workflow, or if it's just another tool making big promises. If you love discovering tools that make you think, wow, that was easy, you're in the right place. We test platforms, reveal hidden features, and teach you quick ways to boost your creativity, productivity, and your content game. Researching individual companies is only part of the investing process. Finding potential market opportunities in the first place is often the hardest part. Normally, you'd open a traditional stock screener, plug in a bunch of static filters, and end up with a list of 500 stocks that still require hours of manual digging. Alphio approaches this completely differently with its Spot Opportunities engine. Instead of a static data dump, it uses AI to dynamically connect global market trends, technical signals, sentiment shifts, and company fundamentals to surface market setups for further research. Once an asset catches your eye, that's where AI skills become especially useful. Think of skills as specialized AI workflows built specifically for investors. Rather than struggling to write the perfect prompt every time, you can choose pre-built workflows like opportunity detection, deep earnings analysis, or risk management. You simply enter a ticker and Alphio processes the messy financial data in the background, handing you a structured analysis that explains what's happening, why it matters, and which risk factors to watch out for. Combined with the daily market brief, which condenses major macro movements, sector performance, and breaking news into structured insights, you spend far less time gathering data and much more time evaluating real opportunities. Now here's where Alphio starts truly separating itself from traditional investing platforms. Research is valuable, but continuously monitoring the market is where most investors lose their time and sanity. Traditional apps let you set basic price alerts, like tell me when a stock hits a dollar amount, but prices move because of context, not just numbers. Inside Alphio's My Tasks dashboard, you can deploy autonomous AI agents using plain English to monitor the market continuously in the background. For example, you can literally instruct your agent, alert me if TSLA drops over 5% on high volume, summarize the major news and social media reactions, and analyze the factors behind the move and the potential risks involved. You can also program an agent to generate a comprehensive US market preview before the opening bell, track unusual technical anomalies, or run continuous risk management protocols 24/7. Instead of basic alerts, these AI agents monitor context and narrative, helping you understand why something is happening. You transition from being a passive consumer of financial data to the manager of an AI-assisted market monitoring workflow. Eventually, every piece of research leads to the same question: how do you actually turn analysis into action? Alphio keeps that entire pipeline seamlessly connected. After researching an asset and setting up monitoring tasks, you can move directly into supported trading workflows without losing any context. If you don't want to build everything from scratch, Alphio features a powerful copy strategies ecosystem. Unlike legacy platforms that blindly replicate trades, Alphio gives you deep analytical clarity. You can tap into strategies like SwingMax for equities or Crypto Radar for monitoring crypto market activity. You can review the available metrics, strategy signals, and reasoning before deciding whether a strategy fits your own approach and risk tolerance. And for advanced investors or developers, Alphio includes the Strategy Hub. you can upload your own quantitative strategies, automate them through autonomous AI agents, and manage or share your setup within one centralized marketplace. The result is a fully connected workflow where research, monitoring, strategy management, and execution all work together in one ecosystem. After spending time exploring Alphio AI, its biggest strength isn't simply adding AI as a gimmick, it's about eliminating manual labor. Instead of jumping between 10 different tabs, staring at charts all day, and manually piecing together news, Alphio combines deep research, intelligent monitoring, autonomous AI agents, and connected execution into a centralized infrastructure for market research, monitoring, and trading workflows. Of course, no AI can predict markets with certainty, and investing always involves risk, but using intelligent automation can significantly reduce the amount of manual research involved. If you'd like to try Alphio AI and deploy your first AI agent, I'll leave the official link down in the description below. As always, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.